Hello everyone, welcome to DevOps for your family. My name is Rajeshwaran. Today we are going to explore what are the AWS resources we are going to create in our upcoming videos. Okay, so this is the flow. We are going to create a VPC with the CIDR block 10.0.0.0/16, and we are going to create two subnet. One is the public subnet, another one is the private subnet. The public subnet is 10.0.1.0/24 and followed by the private subnet, that is 10.0.2.0/24. And we are going to create a EC2 instance, that is Amazon Linux 3 version. We are going to deploy in AWS using Terraform, and we are going to create a security group. Only the ingress traffic which is allowed for 80 and the SSH port. Also, we have already created a keeper in our previous video. We are going to leverage the same key. That means I'm going to create a new key using the same keeper.tf file, and we are going to have the private key with us and the public key that will be mapped into the EC2 instance. So this is the traffic flow. And also we are going to deploy an Nginx web server in the EC2 instance. So this is the command, and when you hit the public address of the EC2 instance, we'll be getting the welcome to DevOps for you channel page. So this is our flow. How the traffic is going to flow here, right? When there is a traffic from the internet who is accessing our public instance IP, that we are going to create as HTTP with the port 80, and also we can able to connect our EC2 instance using port that we are going to use a mobile XTOM for connecting the EC2 instance. So the traffic will come from the internet and it will go to the internet gateway that is get attached to our VPC. In that we have already created using the route table, that is the public route table, and we are having the public subnet that is attached to our public route table, and we are not going to use any private subnet here. That will be we are creating in our upcoming demos. And once the traffic reaches to the public route table, from that we are associating the public subnet, that is the route that is used to route the traffic inside to the public subnet. From there it will route to the EC2 instance. For the web traffic, it will be 80, port number 80, and the EC2 it will be 22. Okay, and also we are having a security group that is for the ingress traffic, that is 22 and 80, and the egress traffic that will be outbound the connection, that will be 0.0. And we are also using the public and private key, and private key with us, there is a name I'm going to create is, let us name this one, yeah, DFU 19. Maybe I will change this to DFU August 25. Okay, this is the name we are going to create. This is the public key that will be get deployed in our AWS console, and there is a private key that we are going to connect using the EC2 using this key that will be get created in our local. Okay, and yeah, this is the flow. And the component what we are going to create, it is the first we are going to create a EC2 key pair and the VPC AWS VPC and the private and the public subnet, and there is a security group as well as the route table and the route which is get, and also we will be installing the Nginx web page. Okay, thank you so much. And we are having multiple Terraform.tf files that I am going to explain each and every files. For example, we are having the, let me start with just exploring EC2.tf and IGW, that is internet gateway, and keeper, followed by the route table, and we are having the security group as well as the VPC and subnet, and also we are associating our public subnet to the route table also. So yeah, and also I have a nginx.sh files that will be get deployed during the EC2 creation. Okay, so this is the flow. Thank you guys, thanks for watching, and just wait for my next video. I'll be going through each and every files so that we will have a exact like end-to-end in flow that we are going to create using Terraform in the AWS. Thank you, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel DevOps for You, and please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.